This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus. Trips don't lie on Go MMT Radio.
Right in the middle of the week, and we are going to learn about a new place. Well, it's not necessarily new, but maybe you have visited that country or maybe you haven't. This person definitely has and has his own original experience, which he's going to share with us today. It is Singapore, and the person who went there recently is Divyanshu Agrawal from the legal department, and he's based out of Gurgaon. Divyanshu, a warm welcome, and so nice to have you on the show.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.
Legal department for a travel company sounds pretty serious. How many issues do you handle on a daily basis, if that's a valid question?
Well, if I have to answer your question right, then your business can't continue without having a legal department in place. So all the deals, jitne bhi deals hain, sare businesses hain, they have to go through us before they are finalized. So it is, I would say, the most important aspect of any company. All our team members ensure that we put the company on the top. Yes.
Oh, that's immense. That's quite cool. आपका काम मुझे लगता है फिर काफी busy वाला काम होगा क्योंकि I mean it's a travel company. It's a company that is just ongoing. It's like a machine that churns out packages on a daily basis and hundreds of them on a daily basis. So what does your working day look like?
I mean, definitely, it's a huge responsibility on all of us, considering that there are so many LOBs, starting from flights to hotels to destinations to holidays, a lot of many things there. So I come to office by 10:30 in the morning. As soon as I reach my office, there are emails filled with a lot of requests from all the business LOBs, from the LOBs that I look into,
right?
Saying that ye review kar lo, wo kar lo. Then I'll have to get a call with them कि नहीं ऐसे नहीं होगा, इसको ऐसे review करते हैं. These are the instructions that have been given to me. This is
right.
So it's fun. I mean, the working is there. There's huge amount of work there, but apart from that, the working culture here is extremely filled with a lot of fun. Every Friday, I wait for WeEngage का email कि कुछ तो होगा, कुछ तो बढ़िया सा होगा from the last 2 months that I've been joined.
हंसा, बिल अपलोड करने का टाइम मिला क्या?
डायग्नोस्टिक्स और फार्मेसी दोनों के लिए नो कैपिंग. अगर वॉलेट में 5,000 रुपए हैं तो पूरा 5,000 तक का खर्चा अलाउड है. कर लो जल्दी. रीइंबर्समेंट विंडो खुला है सिर्फ 1 अगस्त से 31 अगस्त तक.
Sounds like a project deadline. मिस नहीं करना.
जेटली ऑनलाइन ऐप खोलो, बिल अपलोड करो और पैसा वापस लो.
पीपीटी और चैट जीपीटी में फर्क समझ नहीं आता?
छोटी बच्ची हो क्या? Go MMT Radio. Hashtag Go.
Trips don't lie on Go MMT Radio.
दिव्यांशु अग्रवाल मेरे साथ है, लीगल डिपार्टमेंट से है ये. राइट नाउ गोइंग स्ट्रेट इनटू अ गेम. इट्स द 12 सेकंड गेम, यानी 12 सेकंड जो कि पलक झपकते ही निकल जाएगा. एक शब्द होगा और उस एक शब्द को लगकर जो जो चीजें दिमाग में आ रही हैं वो सारे वर्ड्स आपको मुझे फटाफट बतानी है. ठीक है? ऐसे 3 शब्द मैं दूंगी.
Done.
Do you think your brain is going to run fast enough?
I hope so.
This is going to be fun for sure. And your very first word is office. And your time starts now.
Manager, laptop, chair, work, what else? Boss, request, review, agreement, coffee, friends.
Wow! Time's up. आपने 10 वर्ड दे दिए. This is a new record. क्या बात है दिव्यांशु, दिमाग तो फटाफट चला रहे हो आप. Damn good. This is so much fun. Now we're going to the next word. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Is bench. And your time starts now.
Sorry, bench.
Yeah.
Wood, friends, family, what else? I don't know. I mean, plans.
And your time's up. You could have said चाय, कॉफी, स्कूल, ये सब तो पीते हो ना बेंच पे बैठ के.
बेंच, ओके,
है ना?
Yes.
हाँ, बेंच प्रेस नहीं कहा था मैंने. And we're going to the third word now. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
And the third and the last word is car. And your time starts now.
Family, trips, traveling, car perfume, friends, music, gear, steering wheel, driving,
एंड योर
mirrors.
टाइम्स अप. इसमें भी आपने 9 वर्ड्स पुल किए हैं. सो गुड दिव्यांशु, सो गुड. एक बेंच पे थोड़े से अटक गए थे, उसमें करीब 4 या 5 वर्ड ही आ गए. बट दैट्स द फन ऑफ इट.
डॉग प्राइम सब बोलो डॉग प्राइम. डाउनलोड करो डॉग प्राइम, हेल्थ होगी ऑल टाइम फाइन. हे ट्रिपर्स वेट ना करो, डॉग प्राइम ऐप अभी डाउनलोड करो. एनरोल्ड मेंबर्स के मेडिकल कार्ड एक क्लिक में देखो. फ्री ऑनलाइन डॉक्टर कंसल्टेशन आज ही ले लो.
डॉग प्राइम ग्रुप हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस का प्राइम टाइम. डाउनलोड नाउ.
Download the Doc Prime app today for complimentary online doctor consultations, health insurance claim support for cashless and reimbursement claims, and many more exclusive health benefits.
Doc Prime.
Hello Trippers, I am Divakar Parikh and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Trips don't lie on Go MMT Radio.
My name is Annie and the show is Trips Don't Lie. दिव्यांशु अग्रवाल के साथ हूँ मैं, लीगल डिपार्टमेंट से हैं ये. तो दिव्यांशु, हाल ही में आप सिंगापुर गए थे, कुछ बताइए उसके बारे में.
हाँ जी, we went on a family trip to Singapore for 5 to 6 days. We got to visit a lot of places, including Gardens by the Bay. We went to, there's a very famous Chinese tooth relic temple, beautiful architecture, beautiful display of culture. We went to the Singapore Zoo also, and it's a huge, extremely massive zoo with 5 different compartments there, which we unfortunately did not get a chance to visit all of them, but we went to one of them, so it was extremely nice. We got to see a lot of animals, including a huge orangutan named Charlie. We got to play with him, we got to talk to him. Apart from that, we went to Sentosa Island. Sentosa Island was our last day, basically last event that we did in Singapore, and we got to see the aquarium there. I would like to mention a very interesting fact about that aquarium. So there are certain jellyfishes there, and these jellyfishes are immortal. So whenever these jellyfish are in the time when they feel that they're gonna die, they can actually get themselves to the younger selves of them. They can actually be reborn in a way that they can continue their life all over again.
What are you saying? And how many of them were there?
There were many of them, plenty of them actually. Wow. So they have the ability to relive all the moments they might have missed, or they would want to, as a jellyfish inside the water, whatever they want to do. So they can actually go and enjoy all of them all together right from the beginning.
This is so unique. I'm sure काफी सारी रिसर्च हो रही होंगी जेलीफिश के उन कंपोनेंट्स और इंग्रेडिएंट्स के पीछे कि ये होता क्या है that gives them the ability to go back to a younger body and continue living their lives. That's something so cool. It's out of the world, huh?
Definitely. I mean, it was a very different, unique experience, I would say. Whoever is planning for Singapore, for them, I would suggest that you go to Singapore for 2 to 3 days, then maybe plan a trip to Malaysia for a day or 2. So that would give you a more holistic experience of the entire continent there.
हंसा, मेडिसिन्स लेने गई थी. अलाइव वॉलेट यूज कर सकती हूँ?
हाँ, बस याद रहे डॉक्टर की वैलिड प्रिस्क्रिप्शन जरूर होनी चाहिए. और हाँ, अब किसी भी फार्मेसी या केमिस्ट शॉप से ले सकते हो.
परफेक्ट. तो अब मेडिसिन शॉपिंग भी फ्लेक्सिबल हो गई.
हेलो दोस्त, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार. मैं हूं द ग्रेट खाली. आप सुन रहे हैं गो एमएमटी रेडियो.
Trips don't lie on Go MMT Radio.
दिव्यांशु अग्रवाल रिसेंटली सिंगापुर गए थे और जेलीफिश के बारे में जो अभी अभी उन्होंने कहानी सुनाई है, वेल कहानी नहीं है, फैक्ट है. इससे तो लगता है खुद वो भी काफी अचंभित हुए हैं. एंड ही फील्स लाइक इफ these kind of things you experience, it kind of changes you a bit. I think you kind of start looking at things differently maybe. है ना Divyanshu? Has that happened with you?
Definitely. I mean, it's something that none of us know, right? It's only when we experience these things firsthand that we get to know that, life में बहुत कुछ important है beyond work, beyond office. And it's important to actually go and explore all these things.
अच्छा, फूड के बारे में बताइए. Singapore food scene, it was okay for you. You could explore what Singapore cuisine was all about, which is a mix of, Chinese and Southeast Asian and all of that.
Unfortunately, we all of us are vegetarians.
Oh.
So the problem with food was that we could not explore the local food because obviously it was non-vegetarian mostly.
Gee.
But we got the chance to actually explore some of the most popular outreach that are there in Singapore, including Din Tai Fung. So whoever is going to visit Singapore, I would suggest that you go and visit Din Tai Fung. It's like Haldiram of Singapore.
Oh.
But the vibe is nice, the food is nice. But if you are a vegetarian, I would suggest that you carry some food items with you beforehand so that you get more time to explore and less time to figure out where to eat.
Absolutely.
But 24:7 used to be our go-to place whenever we have to actually, look for something light to actually, before we explore the other places.
Oh, nice. So while it was a little tricky, I think कुछ ना कुछ तो आपने manage कर ही लिया था. And yeah, that's a good suggestion. And
the place is nice. I mean, you will find a lot of South Indian restaurants there because there are a lot of South Indians who are settled in Singapore. So there is a place called Little India in Singapore wherein you can actually find a lot of Indian cuisines there. Of course, I mean, whenever you visit a different place, different country altogether, the local food, the way the food is prepared there is very different.
Correct.
So you might not find the Delhi wala khane ka taste, but definitely, I mean, something that you can survive for 5 days.
Yeah, and going to a different country, it's always good to explore the cuisine to see कि दुनिया में कितने अलग-अलग किस्म के लोग रहते हैं, कितने अलग-अलग किस्म के tastes और preferences होते हैं.
The rapid fire round.
What do you use to see?
Eyes.
What is the national bird of India?
Peacock.
Very good. Which fruit is yellow and curved?
Banana.
Ooh, how many days are there in a week?
7.
क्या बात है? What is the color of the sky?
Blue.
How many months are there in a year?
12.
Which animal has a long trunk?
Elephant.
What is 1 plus 1?
2.
What do bees make?
Honey.
Which animal is called the ship of the desert?
Camel.
Which fish is the biggest?
Whale.
Yeah, whale shark. But I'll give it to you. I mean, it's pretty much there. What is the color of an apple?
Red.
Red or green? Which vegetable is orange in color and helps improve eyesight?
Carrot.
Well done. वो last question actually carry नहीं करेगा क्योंकि it was beyond 1 minute. But oh my God, you answered more than 13 questions. That is a new record. Divyanshu, well done.
Thank you so much. Those easy questions.
Yeah, see, I told you, ridiculously easy questions in 1 minute. That's the whole point, to have fun.
Thanks for saving me.
It was lovely having you on the show, Divyanshu. There's so much you're looking forward to at MMT, and a legal department comes with its own pressures, but you seem to be handling it well. I'm sure there'll be a lot of challenges, but you also are preparing yourself for the same. So wish you all the luck to do amazingly well in the coming year at MMT.
Thank you so much, Annie. Thanks for your brilliant opportunity.
With that, I have come to the end of the show. Trips Don't Lie with Divyanshu Agarwal from Gurgaon. He's from the legal department. This is your host, Annie, signing off as I wrap up the show. And I will be back on Friday with Filmy Friday. Till then, keep smiling, keep traveling.
Doc Prime, Doc Prime. Sab bolo Doc Prime. Download karo Doc Prime. Health hogi all time fine.
Hey trippers, wait na karo. Doc Prime app abhi download karo. Enrolled members के medical cards एक click में देखो. Free online doctor consultation आज ही ले लो.
Doc Prime Group Health Insurance का prime time. Download now, download now. Doc Prime.
Download the Doc Prime app today for complimentary online doctor consultations, health insurance claim support for cashless and reimbursement claims, and many more exclusive health benefits.
Doc Prime.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.